Greetings, history enthusiasts. Welcome back to the tapestry of time. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of medieval warfare with a device that has captured the imagination of engineers and siege enthusiasts alike, the trebuchet. So, grab your virtual helmets and let's catapult ourselves into the history of this incredible war machine. Our journey begins in ancient China, around the 4th century BC. The trebuchet's early ancestor, the traction trebuchet, made its debut. Powered by human muscle, this primitive version laid the foundation for what would become one of the most iconic siege weapons in history. As we fast forward to the 6th century AD, the traction trebuchet evolved into the counterweight trebuchet. This design used a heavy counterweight to launch projectiles with greater force and accuracy. The Chinese were pioneers in refining this technology, using trebuchets not only for warfare but also for impressive displays of fireworks. But, of course, the trebuchet didn't stay confined to the East. It traveled across continents, finding its way to the Middle East and eventually to Europe during the medieval period. The technology spread like wildfire, and each culture added its unique twist to the design. During the European Renaissance, the trebuchet reached its zenith. Massive trebuchets, sometimes called Warwolf or Perrier, were used in some of history's most famous sieges. Notably, Edward I of England used trebuchets during the siege of Stirling Castle in the late 13th century. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the engineering marvel that is the trebuchet. These colossal machines could launch projectiles weighing hundreds of kilograms over great distances with impressive accuracy. The counterweight trebuchet, in particular, became a staple in medieval warfare. As technology advanced, the trebuchet slowly faded from the battlefield. The advent of gunpowder and cannons made siege warfare more efficient, but the trebuchet left an indelible mark on military history. Today, enthusiasts build and test scaled-down replicas, keeping the spirit of these ancient war machines alive. And there you have it, the riveting history of the trebuchet. From its humble beginnings in ancient China to its powerful presence on medieval battlefields, the trebuchet stands as a testament to human ingenuity in the face of conflict. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget